In this video, I'm going to show you how to move your tables from lecture mode to group mode. And so here you have the typical lecture setup. You have the front of the classroom. You have two tables next to each other with 4 seats. And so the first thing I have the students do is just slide the tables apart. So now you have rows, and this allows you to access the people in the middle. And then only the first row and the third row, because this whole pattern will repeat, are going to have to move their tables. So the chairs will slide around and then the tables slide back. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 4 in this case. That would be the first 2 rows. And then when it's time to come back to lecture, they would just slide those chairs back around, slide it back, and then you can move the tables back together. I think this works really well because you can still have work done at the front, and then partway through class you might use groups and then come back into lecture mode to share out.